Vision Expo in Las Vegas. I'm here at the Santinelli International booth, which is here at Vision Expo. And I'll give you a quick tour of their booth. They have a lot of neat products out. And there are two folks I want y'all to meet. Hello guys.
Hi.
Do you want to introduce yourselves?
Sure, I'm Barbara Wagner. I'm the marketing manager at Santinelli International.
Great.
Franco Aloigi, product manager with Santinelli International.
Great. And what do you guys want to show us today? Do you want us to walk around the booth, or do you want to show some products?
I'll take a walk.
All right, we're going to take a walk.
We'll start up in the front.
Okay.
This is the front retail section of our booth, where we have our retail lens edgers. We have 25 different systems, depending on the budget, the size of the practice. What our equipment basically does for retailers is it gives them the ability to make glasses inside the practice. So we talk a little bit about the technology.
Yes, the technology is for us, again, to take a frame and put lenses relative to prescription that fits the patient. And so that's what our equipment allows us to do, allows the optometrists to do. It is called lens finishing. And this technology is panelless technology, where we simply take a frame, we digitize it, and we then use that information to enter the patient information relative to the prescription, lenses, and block up the lenses, insert them into what we call the lens grinder or the lens edger that actually process it and actually cuts it to fit the frame.
Neat.
So let's walk around a little bit more.
Sounds good.
Show you the rest of our booth.
Barbara?
Over here we have our tools and supplies section.
Okay.
These are some of the supplies that you need for the machine and some of the tools. And if you come over here, you can see some more.
Yes, what we offer is not just the equipment that does the actual grinding, but we also offer the hand tools for the optician in order to make the adjustment, the repair, anything that is needed hand tool wise for the optician.
Martin Leo asks, what machinery are we speaking of?
Lens finishing equipment, lens edger.
Lens edger, lens finishing equipment, Martin. Thanks for asking.
These machines are for the wholesale lab. So this is for a higher volume.
This is for the industrial side. The industrial size laboratory that does lots of jobs per day, what we call jobs, or spectacle. When we're talking about doing anywhere between 200 to 400 to thousands of spectacles per day, we utilize a automated robotic system that actually loads and unloads the lenses.
Wow.
So it's robotically done, and we just keep feeding the job trays with the particular lenses for the RX for that particular patient, and all the information actually resides on that barcode. That barcode contains all the information to be able to process these particular jobs. And as you can see, the robotic arms, not only the robotic arms are actually loading and unloading the lenses into the machine, but what's happening is that we actually have a conveyor belt and elevators that similar to almost a hybrid between conveyor and stacker, where it actually brings the jobs into position in order to be processed.
Great. Is there anything,
Very automated.
Yeah. Is there anything new? Any new products you all have in here?
I think the SC1 is our newest product.
Yeah, great. We'll go check out a new product that they have.
This is the X Trimmer SC1, which we introduced last year.
Last year, yep.
And this features our very first dry edging technology. You want to talk a little bit about that?
This is actually using, as Barbara said, dry cutting technology. It's using 6 different tools in a V-cut design to make the design and the footprint of the unit smaller. So although it looks like a pretty good sized refrigerator, relatively speaking, for what the machine is capable of doing, speed-wise, production, capability of designs, it's actually a very small footprint and very, very high output. This same particular model that you see here can actually be placed behind the robotic handling, so it's also made for robotic feeding and handling.
Neat. This is our last stop.
Our last stop. This is our newest addition to our Vision Expo West booth. It is an on-site lab or a in-office finishing lab. And what we did was we tried to show how compact, how little space is required for an in-office finishing lab. And I mean, the benefits of having such a lab are just huge because it gives the ECPs a competitive edge, which they really need these days more than ever, by providing fast eyewear, which everybody knows that they bought it yesterday. And although online eyewear is becoming more and more popular, you can't get it that same day. But if you're having an office finishing lab, you could have your eyewear in an hour or a day or 2 days. So it's a huge benefit. It's a hugely lucrative addition to an eye care professional.
Great.
Yeah, we call it the third profit center for the ECP, for the eye care professional. For the eye care professional, you have the diagnostic side, the dispensing side for dispensing of frames. The third profit center would be this in-office finishing. And again, the representation here is that it requires very few pieces of equipment, really only two, because these are the pieces they already have in the office. The lensometry function and the hand tools mostly already have them. So 2 pieces of equipment, a very small, compact, again, footprint or small square footage is required for the in-office lens finishing. And as Barbara already said, it offers the control of the quality at hand, faster turnaround, greater satisfaction for the patient, and increased profit is the ultimate goal.
Very good. All right. Was there anything else y'all want to add?
No?
All right. What booth are we at if they want to come stop by?
We are at booth LP11087, Santinelli International. Just ask for Franco.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for tuning in,
Thanks.
followers.
Bye.
See you soon.
I have one